All right, we are at another Happy Cow car wash location. This one's in San Diego. Check this out. We got 4 automatic bays. If there was something called Istobal Heaven, I think I found it. We have an Istobal, I think that's either a Flex 5 or an M1 in that bay. We have an Istobal M'Wash Pro in the second bay, an Istobal M'Nex 22 in the third bay, and a Flex 5 in the fourth bay. This is just a bizarre setup. So we're going to go ahead and start. I think we're going to do all 4 of these because I just have to try all 4. We're going to start with this Istobal Flex 5. It actually kind of looks like, because I know this one, I saw someone doing a soft touch cycle. It's like they used an Istobal M'Nex 22 because there's like tape over that. Oh, this is an Istobal M'Nex 22. And this one does both touchless and soft touch. I've seen the Flex 5 that can do either or. I've never seen an M'Nex 22 that can do a brush wash or a touchless. So let's do a touchless on this one, and we'll do a soft touch on the other one in a different video.
Please make your selection.
Let's do it since we're starting.
Please insert payment now.
I'm gonna go ahead and get this paid for, and then we'll move on. All right, let's do my first Istobal M'Nex 22. That is technically a Flex 5 if you want to put it that way. I'm gonna do this all on my phone. I'm not gonna use the other camera for this one. the M'Wash Pro in the right bay. I'm in the other bay. That's the M'Nex 22, and that's the Flex 5. This is going to be up there with one of the most iconic and unique car washes I think I have ever visited in my life. 4 Istobal systems, and all of them are a different model, but they probably all do either touch-free or touchless. I just find it interesting that the owner decided to do it like that. Maybe some of them kept breaking, and then they replaced it with different models each time one broke. I don't even. Wow. All right, so next up we're going to be doing the M'Wash Pro, but that'll be a separate video. For now, that is it. Thank you for watching.